What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. So today is a pretty crazy one. I'm actually going to be getting rid of my Screaming Eagles and swapping them for nice new tab slip-ons. Pretty easy install, couple of bolts at the bottom here, one over down the bottom, on the back of it, a couple of Allen bolts, knock them off with a rubber hammer, job's a good one. So the next time you see the bike, new hotness is going to be on, and we'll go from there. So, see you soon. What's up guys? So I've got the exhaust on. As you can see, I don't know if you can see down there, it's all on, ready to go. I've had to ride out of my street just because it's a bit crazy, so yeah, so I've had to ride out my street guys just because it's a bit loud. Going to annoy someone else about 8:30 at night, so just take a listen, see what you think while I'm on the bike. And it's getting late, so I'll do a walk around at some point, but for now this is what it sounds like. I hope you can hear that. It's extremely loud. So you could say I have paid my Harley tax. I believe, I think they are a bit too loud. I just want a happy medium. Sounds really, really good. I just think if I leave these on, I'm going to get pulled by the coppers. I don't know if they'll grow on me, and I don't know if it's just because I went from a super quiet exhaust to this. But they are pretty crazy. And obviously I haven't got a tuner on it yet, so I'm just going to take it nice and easy. Not going to go crazy. I understand you want to listen. It doesn't have to change the dynamic of the bike. I don't think the wife's going to like it. Oh shit, that is. Let you listen to it. Thump, 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 thump. Oh. So guys, that's what it looks like. What do you think in comparison to my Screaming Eagles? I'm not 100%. I like the look of them. It's just that noise might be a bit much. I don't know, man, let me know what you think. It's definitely different, and it's definitely I can smell it over fueling, so I'll definitely need a tuner. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap the video up. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe. Don't forget to subscribe to my social media on Facebook and Instagram at the Scott Rod. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.